Kapag matindi ang thunderstorm, hindi lang landslide at
The Weather Bureau in Manila has issued a tornado warning for Manila until 5:27 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., Philippine Weather Bureau Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Quezon City, or 6 miles northeast of Manila, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Santa Ana, San Miguel, Santa Mesa Heights, Santa Mesa, San Francisco del Monte, and Santa Cruz. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.